be the greatest, you can be the best. You can be the King Kong banging on your chest.
You can beat the world, you can beat the war. You can talk to God, go banging on his door.
You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock. You can move a mountain, you can break rocks.
You can be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you gon' find yourself
Standing in the Hall of Fame.
Yeah.
And the world's gonna know your name.
Yeah.
Cause you burn with the brightest flame.
Yeah.
And the world's gonna know your name.
Yeah.
And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. You can go the distance, you can run the mile. You can walk straight through hell with a smile.
You could be the hero, you can get the gold. Breaking all the records they thought never could be broke.
Yeah, do it for your people, do it for your pride. Are you ever gonna know if you never even try?
Do it for your country, do it for your name.
Cause there's gonna be a day when you're standing in the Hall of Fame.
Yeah.
And the world's gonna know your name.
Yeah.
Cause you burn with the brightest flame. And the world's gonna know your name. And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. Be a champion. Be a champion. Be a champion. Be a champion. The walls of the Hall of Fame. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers. Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions, be truth seekers. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers. Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions. Standing in the Hall of Fame. And the world's gonna know your name. Cause you burn with the brightest flame. And the world's gonna know your name. And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. You can be the greatest, you can be the best. You can be the King Kong hanging on your chest.
You can be a girl, you can beat the war. You can talk to God, go banging on his door.
You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock. You can move a mountain, you can break rocks.
You can be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you can find yourself
Standing in the Hall of Fame.
ताकि आप सभी अपना ध्यान कार्यक्रम में लगा सकें। आप सभी से यह भी आग्रह है कि आप में से कोई भी अपने फोन से स्टेज के सामने आकर तस्वीर लेने का कष्ट ना करे। अभिभावक महोदय से मैं ये भी निवेदन करती हूँ कि कार्यक्रम के दौरान शांति एवं स्वच्छता बनाए रखें। पीने के पानी की व्यवस्था पंडाल के दोनों ओर की गई है, जिसका लाभ आप ले सकते हैं। पुरुषों के लिए शौचालय स्टेज के बाईं ओर एकदम अंतिम छोर पर स्थित है और महिलाओं के लिए शौचालय स्कूल के प्रभा प्रांगण की ओर स्थित है। अभिभावकगण एवं माता पिता से सविनय निवेदन है कि आप बच्चों की ओर से निश्चिंत रहें। बच्चे सुरक्षित एवं आराम से हैं। कार्यक्रम समाप्त होने के बाद ही आप सभी अपने अपने बच्चों को बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट से निर्देशित शिक्षिका शिक्षक से मिलकर ले सकते हैं। बच्चों को लेने के क्रम में कृपया शांति।
To dispel the darkness of ignorance and usher in the light of knowledge, may I request our rector, Reverend Father K.M. Joseph Esje, Parish Priest, Reverend Father Nestor Soreng, Honorable MLA of Sindri Constituency, Mr. Chandradev Mahato, our Principal, Mrs. Preeta Sojan, and our Vice Principal, Mrs. Rinita Saha, to kindly come up for the auspicious lighting of the lamp, which will be accompanied by a hymn presented by a school choir.
Ready? Let's go.
Everybody come a welcome. Welcome. To the party come a welcome. Welcome. There's another cup for everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Everybody come a welcome. Welcome. To the party come a welcome. Welcome. There's another cup for everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Everybody come a welcome. Welcome. To the party come a welcome. Welcome. There's another cup for everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Get over here tonight. I'll call you what you like. We'll make it such a night to remember all our lives. I'll really blow your mind. Oh boy, make your mind up. We're running out of time.
J-Lo, ya tú sabes, no hay más nada.
It's a new generation
Mr. Worldwide,
of party people.
get on the floor, darling. Get on. Red one.
Let me introduce you to my party people in the club.
I'm loose, and everybody knows I get off the train. Baby, it's the truth, the truth. I'm like Inception, I play with your brain, so don't sleep or snooze. I don't play no games, so don't get it confused, no. Cause you will lose, yeah. Now pump it up and back it up like a Tonka truck.
If you go hard, you gotta get on the floor. If you're a party freak, then step on the floor. If you're an animal, then tear up the floor. Break a sweat on the floor, yeah, we work on the floor. Don't stop, keep it moving, put your drinks up. Pick your body up and drop it on the floor. Let the rhythm change your world on the floor. You know we're running tonight on the floor.
Brazil, Morocco, London to Ibiza, straight to LA, New York, Vegas to Africa.
Dance the night away, live your life and stay young on the floor. Dance the night away, grab somebody, drink a little more. Tonight we gon' leave it on the floor. Tonight we gon' leave it on the floor.
Thank you, Ayush. A very good evening to one and all present here. A school is often called a second home, but evenings like this remind us that it is truly a shared home, where hearts meet, talents blossom, and dreams take flight. Today is not just a program, it's a celebration of belonging. At the very outset, let us thank the Almighty for His abundant grace that for this beautiful opportunity to gather together in joy and celebration. Our director, Father Michael P. Fernandez, SJ, who was to grace this occasion as our chief guest, is unable to be with us this evening. Father, you are deeply missed. With deep respect and affection, I welcome Reverend Father K.M. Joseph S.J., Rector de Nobly Schools, as our guest of honor this evening. We know this is your institution and we are truly your family. We stand here to welcome you in a formal capacity, and we do so with the warmth reserved for someone who belongs to us. With heartfelt gratitude, I welcome our parish priest, Reverend Father Nestor Sorain, who is always there for us whenever we need guidance and support. Father, your constant presence means a great deal to our school community. I extend a warm and respectful welcome to our Honorable MLA, Mr. Chandra Dev Mahato. Sir, Your commitment to the welfare and development of the community is truly commendable. We also appreciate your keen interest in staying connected with schools in and around Sindri. Your presence here today encourages us to continue striving for excellence. I also welcome our respected ward councillors, Mr. Dheeraj Singh and Mr. Gopal Mahato, whose constant support and accessibility at the grassroots level make a real difference in strengthening institutions like ours. We are grateful for your presence and encouragement. I extend my heartfelt greetings to all the respected principals, vice principals, coordinators and teachers from the Denobli units whose presence strengthens the bond we share as one educational family. Your companionship, shared vision and constant support inspire us and remind us that we walk this journey together. I also warmly welcome our esteemed principals and representatives from our associated institutions like Carmel School, Digwadi. Your presence adds grace to this gathering and reflects the spirit of collaboration and mutual support that we deeply value. We extend a heartfelt welcome to our respected former teachers, Sir Sarkar and Sir Thakur, whose years of devoted service have left an enduring imprint on this institution. It is a privilege to have you among us today. A special word of welcome to the esteemed members of the various school committees, Mr. Ghanshyam Grover, Mr. Ashok Kumar Sharma, and Mrs. Rajshri Gupta. Thank you for your unwavering support and for always standing by Denobli School, Sindri. A heartfelt welcome to our valued members of the alumni whose continued bond with the school we deeply cherish. A warm welcome to our friends from the media and to our respected members of the police and civil administration. Your presence adds dignity to our gathering. A heartfelt welcome to all our respected dignitaries and special guests whose presence honors us today. Your encouragement and continued support mean a great deal to us. And to our dear parents, the very reason for this evening, welcome. Your trust in us, your constant support and your silent sacrifices are what make all our efforts meaningful. This celebration is as much yours as it is ours. This evening also brings with it a touch of magic. Our students are ready to present a story inspired by Gupi and Bagha, a tale of two simple souls who come across extraordinary powers. But as their journey unfolds, one question quietly lingers. When power is placed in our hands, do we become wiser or we forget who we truly are? We invite you to watch, wonder and discover. Once again, I welcome each one of you to this joyful evening. Let us celebrate together as one family. Thank you and have a wonderful evening.
Thank you, ma'am.
I would like to request our principal ma'am to kindly do the honors by presenting them a token of love and respect.
express our sincere gratitude to all the dignitaries for your presence in this grand event.
Twenty, 22, side coming back. Long time no see, huh? 오래간 아니지, huh? 우리 다시 웃고 일고 찢고 바꿔 Let's get loco. Pandemic's over, 그래 기분이 오자, 다시 그분이 오자, Everybody say 뻑적지근해, 껄쩍지근해, 시끌벅적거리네, 너무 좋아 북적거리네. 동서남북 강남 강북 싹 다 보여줘요 Hands in the air I say yeah. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Whoa yeah. Whoa whoa. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Whoa yeah. 준비하시고 쏘세요. That I like that. 기분 좋아 baby. 흔들어줘 우위 아래로. 1, 2, 3 to the 4. That I like that. That I like that baby. That I like that. It's like that. That's all. That I like that. That I like that baby. That I like that. It's like that.
야 내가
많은 사람이 들 까먹어줘
That I like that.
like that
시간이 지나도 변함없이
That I like that.
like that
I don't care that I like that
That I like that.
like that
내가 바라보고 바래왔던 적당히 하라고 그냥 각시고 다 같이 놀아보자고
meaning give back to sound.
Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Whoa yeah. Whoa whoa. Can you feel it? Can you feel it? Oh yeah. 준비하시고 쏘세요. That I like that. 기분 좋아 baby. 흔들어줘 우위 아래로. 1, 2, 3 to the 4. That I like that. That I like that baby. That I like that. It's like that. That's all. That I like that. That I like that baby. That I like that. It's like that. That's all. Do what you want. Say what you want. Do what you want. Say what? That I like that baby. Do what you want. Say what you want. Do what you want. Say what? That I like that baby. Do what you want. Say what you want. Do what you want. Say what? That I like that baby. That I like that.
In a forgotten village of Bengal, where the earth cracks under the summer sun and the winds whisper through tangled banyan roots, life moved slow and silent, but two dreamers disturbed that silence. Goopy, whose voice could make rivers retreat, and Bagha, whose drumming once made the village bull faint. They were out of tune with the world around them, but in perfect harmony with each other. What they called music, the world called it noise.
Oh moon, oh sky, hear my tune and then fly. La 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 la, la 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 la. La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la.
Thus, their tale begins. Outcast by fate, musicians by heart, on the edge of exile and at the threshold of magic. Villagers came running, plugging their ears.
Not again! My ears are bleeding!
Goopy's voice has scared my hands into laying square eggs.
And Bagha's drum cracked my cooking pot.
Village headman enters.
Gopi, Baga, what kind of storm you are calling down this time?
So, we were only rehearsing for the village festival.
We thought maybe this time people might like it.
Like it? My child hasn't stopped crying since your last performance.
Enough is enough. You have been warned too many times. You bring noise and chaos.
But music is all we have.
We are not hurting anyone. We just want to play.
Silence! If music is your love, go sing to the trees. You will be exiled. Leave the village at once.
They don't understand us.
Maybe we were meant to find our tune somewhere else.
So, with nothing but their instruments and hope, Goopy and Bagha left behind the only home they had ever known.
रात में गुपी और बाघा दोनों जब जंगल में भटकते हैं तो उनकी मुलाकात भूतों के राजा से होती है। भूतों के राजा गुपी और बाघा से खुश होकर उन्हें 4 वरदान देते हैं। पहला वरदान, उन्हें जब कभी भूख लगे या खाने की इच्छा हो, उन दोनों के सामने शाही एवं स्वादिष्ट व्यंजन परोसा जाएगा। दूसरा वरदान, किसी भी भाषा को वे दोनों आसानी से समझ जाएंगे। तीसरा वरदान, वे दोनों जब भी कुछ गाना चाहे तो उनके गाने लोगों के हृदय को छू लेंगे और अपनी ओर आकर्षित और मंत्रमुग्ध कर लेंगे। आखिरी वरदान, भूतों के राजा ने दोनों से प्रसन्न होकर 2 जोड़ी जादुई जूते भी दिए, जिन्हें पहनकर गुपी और बाघा बेरोक टोक दुनिया के किसी भी जगह आसानी से आ जा सकते हैं।
Goopy and Bagha enter in a mysterious forest at night, where they are greeted with glowing eyes in between trees and strange noises.
So, where are we?
Somewhere no human dares to sing.
Perfect. No human dares to stop us.
Even if the owls hoot in tune, it won't sound better than us.
They begin singing and playing, still hilariously bad, but filled with heart.
চারটা টলমল নেমে আসে বাঁশ ঝাড়ে, পেঁচা বলে আমি গাই ভুল সুরে, পাতার ফাঁকে তারারা করে বেসুরো হেসে, জোনাকি টিপ টিপ তাও তাল মেলে না বেশে।
Are we dreaming?
If we are, let's not wake up.
Who dares to disturb my sacred forest? Who dares to wake the spirit of this ancient forest?
Forgive us, Great Spirit. We made no disrespect. We were only trying to find a place where we could play freely.
You play with passion, and that pleases me. You have amused my courts of spirits. For that, you shall be rewarded.
Rewarded?
You are bold and honest. For that, I shall grant you 4 boons. Ask what you desire.
We haven't eaten anything. We are hungry.
You will receive food whenever you're hungry. What else?
Then I wish to sing so sweetly that even river pause to listen to my music.
And I wish to drum so beautifully that thunder learns rhythm from me.
Granted. 2 more gifts for both of you. Magical boots. Tap them thrice and they shall carry you anywhere you desire. And you will be able to understand the language as well. Go now, musicians of magic. Let your music mend what the world breaks. Let your friendship be your guide.
We will not forget your kindness.
We will sing and play with truth in our hearts.
But use them wisely to spread joy, not chaos.
Thus, they continue their journey across lands, through cultures, in search of music, meaning, and mystery.
Birth to dreams. Goopy and Baga flew with glee on magic boots across the sea, landed in Japan with joy and a hooray.
Oh Baga, what a land of grace and peace! Lanterns float and dragons race, temples, garden and sushi feast.
But something smells fishy. I don't like this silence. No one's around. Why is everyone hiding?
Halt! Who are you? Floating men in foreign attire? Are you spies sent to conspire? Identify yourself. Are you enemies?
Oh, no, we are just musicians from India. I sing and he plays the drum.
Yes, and our boots are magical. They help us fly.
Magic boots? That sounds like sorcery. Then prove your truth in trial and form, in sumo ring, amidst the storm. Take them to the emperor. They will explain themselves at the court.
Men who fly and speak in rhyme, explain your powers or face your crime.
O noble emperor, grant us a test. Let music be our trial, our very best.
Music in the land of sumo might? Can your song survive the wrestlers' fight?
Let them face us in a duel of pride. If they win, they walk free and wide. But if we win, they serve the emperor's zoo, feeding pandas and cleaning poo.
I would rather die than clean panda.
And thus began the strangest test, not of song, but sumo chest to chest.
We are going to be flattened.
You think I don't know that? These men are like walking elephant.
Your Majesty, we mean no harm. We are travelers, musicians from India.
We travel from land to land to understand people, their tradition and their culture.
You failed the sumo trial. That's vivid. Before I pass judgment, is there anything you hold dear?
Your Majesty, let there be a cultural duel. Your finest traditional dancers against us. Let Japan's grace and Bengal's rhythm meet.
Oh ho, a battle of dance, not might? Very well, let the night ignite.
বাঁশির সুর, হালকা কুয়াশা মাঠের উপর, চেরি ফুলের মতো ধানের গন্ধ। দুই দেশ মিশে এক নরম ছন্দ। মাটির রাস্তা পায়ে ধুলো, দূরে কার যেন ঢাকের ধুলো, ওপরে নরম গোলাপি ফুল, হাওয়ায় ভেসে পড়ে নীরব ভুল। ছোট্ট নদী বলে ধীরে ধীরে, কোথা থেকে এলে তুমি এ তীরে, পাহাড় পেরিয়ে সমুদ্র ডিঙ্গিয়ে, কোন জাপানি গ্রাম থেকে বয়ে গিয়ে।
নদীর পাড়ে সাকুরা, ঢোলের তালে নাচে ধরা, বাঁশি ডাকে কণ্ঠ সুরে। আরিগাতো, শুভ সকাল একই নূরে। নদীর পাড়ে সাকুরা, একই আকাশ দুই ধারা, এই ডাকে মনিয়া দে সারা। বাংলা গান দূর হোক কায়দা, সবার সাথেই জড়া।
তরুণ গেরার 15 শালিক, একই রোদে দাঁড়িয়ে নিরিখ। লাল সূর্য ওঠে গঙ্গা ঘাটে, ওদিকে ওঠে আলোর জালে। চাঁদ উঠলে দোলনা চলে, শিশুরা গায়ে দুই ভাষা মেলে, ও মা গো মিশে ও কাশান ডাকে। স্বপ্নগুলো সব এক পাখি পাকে।
নদীর পাড়ে সাকুরা, ঢোলের তালে নাচে ধরা, বাঁশি ডাকে কণ্ঠ শুভে। আরিগাতো, শুভ সকাল একই নূরে। নদীর পাড়ে সাকুরা, ঢোলের তালে নাচে ধরা, বাঁশি ডাকে কণ্ঠ সুরে। আরিগাতো, শুভ সকাল একই নূরে। নদীর পাড়ে সাকুরা, একই আকাশ দুই ধারা, এই ডাকে মনিয়া দে সারা। বাংলা গান দূর হোক কায়দা, সবার সাথেই জড়া।
Wonderful. There is no victor and no defeat here. You have won with heart, not force. Your music built bridges where strength could not. Go with honor and carry harmony wherever you travel.
Thank you, Your Majesty. We will carry this memory wherever we go.
And so they left another land, not with conquest, but with connection. In a world often divided by power, they danced their way into friendship.
To announce the names of our ICSE toppers for the academic year 2023-24, the topper is Prankur Parijat with 98% marks. Prangur Parijat. Congratulations, Prangur. For the academic year 2024-25, we have not one, but two shining stars who have secured the top position with 96% marks. They are Pallavi Pathak and Pariket Lalwani. Pallavi Pathak. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This evening, we take immense pride in celebrating not just excellence, but consistency in excellence. Now we move on to honor academic excellence with the prestigious Aditya Narayan Ghosh Memorial Trophy for our ICSE toppers. May I now request Reverend Father K.M. Joseph, S.J., Rector de Nobili Schools, to please come up on the stage to facilitate our toppers. May I also request the parents of the toppers to kindly accompany their child to receive the award.
फेस पे लग रहा है वो लाइट जो है ना वो फेस पे लग रहा है
It's my privilege to announce the names of our ICSE toppers for the academic year 2023-24. The topper is Prankur Parijat with 98% marks. Prankur Parijat. Congratulations, Prankur. For the academic year 2024-25, we have not one, but two shining stars who have secured the top position with 96% marks. They are Pallavi Pathak and Pariket Lalwani. Pallavi Pathak. Pallavi Pathak with 96% marks. Congratulations, Pallavi. Next is Pariket Lalwani with 96% marks. Pariket Lalwani. Congratulations, Pariket. Continuing the celebration of excellence, we now invite our Royal SC toppers to be honored. For the academic year 2023-24, the topper is Ayush Kumar Mehto with 83% marks. Ayush Kumar Mehto. Congratulations, Ayush. For the academic year 2024-25, the topper is Sweetie Kumari with 94% marks. Parents of Sweetie.
हेलो अरे काम कर बाद में कॉल कर
Congratulations, Sweetie. Thank you, Father. Ladies and gentlemen, now let's put our hands together for our achievers. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
जापान के बाद हमारा यह जोड़ा वेनिस की गलियों में पहुंचता है। यहाँ उनका सामना एक दुष्ट जादूगरनी से होता है, जिसने मासूम बच्चों की आत्माओं को एक जादुई आईने में कैद कर रखा था। गोपी और बाघा अपने सच्चे दिल से संगीत छेड़ते हैं। उनके संगीत की गूंज से वह जादुई आईना टूट जाता है, बच्चे आजाद हो जाते हैं और उस दुष्ट जादूगरनी का अंत हो जाता है।
Venice, where every stone whispers a story, every canal hides a secret. But beyond the laughter of gondolas and the music of masquerades lies a tale too strange to be sung. Deep in its forgotten alleys lies a cursed palace. A palace where every reflection lies, where children once vanished without a trace. Goopy and Baga, the musical wonders of Bengal, have landed here, guided not by maps but by the silent cries of lost children. Within its cracked walls hides a secret, a mirror that holds not reflections but souls.
Goopy, why do I feel something strange?
Look at that! A mirror taller than a palace gate. But it feels like it's watching us.
Because they are. Look there. What a strange mirror.
Help us, please.
Baga, did you hear that?
Heard it? I think my bones heard it. Did that mirror just talk? Let's go.
Don't go. She will return. She trapped us here, the dark magician.
As they step closer, the mirror pulses faintly. Whispers begin to echo.
Help, please. We are trapped.
But who did this to you?
She comes at night. The magician. Her heart is in the mirror. She tricked each of us, gave us what we love, then trapped us in it. You must break the mirror. It holds her soul, her power. Break it and you free us. But hurry!
Suddenly, a swirl of dark smoke erupts. Enter magician, cloaked in tattered robes, eyes gleaming with crimson fury.
Fools! You dare step inside my cursed palace? So, the mirror whispers again? How touching! Every soul that enters the palace becomes mine.
Who are you?
This is my domain. I am Signora Benadola, the mistress of mirrors.
You are a sorceress. You steal joy to survive?
No! I am an artist. Once Venice adored my magic. They called me beautiful until beauty frightened them. They banished me, so I built a world where no one could ever leave. And now you will perform for eternity.
She cast a spell. Goopy and Baga are suddenly frozen.
Our boots, they are not working. She is blocking us with her magic.
Baga, this is worse than sumo wrestling ghost in Japan. She has cast a spell.
We tried to escape. She always catches us. She cannot be killed unless her heart is shattered. Her heart, it beats inside this mirror. It feeds off our silence. Only music, born from truth and courage, can break it.
Then we must sing. Not for escape, for them, for all the children who were never heard.
They begin to sing and drum, a melody soft and fragile at first.
Tiny hands on the inside, fingerprints in the silver rain. They laugh but the sound is hollow, every smile pressed flat in the pain. I see my face over theirs, older eyes on a stolen frame. If I walk away they're fading, if I stay I'm frozen the same. I hear them calling through my reflection, soft as dust on the frame. If I don't scream now, if I don't bleed sound, they stay a picture with my name. Shatter the glass till the whole room's bleeding light. Let every locked up little laugh come running out into the night. If my voice has to break, then let it break. Shatter the dust.
Stop this infernal noise! Stop it! This mirror, it's my heart, my eternity. You will shatter it! Please, please stop this!
Sing louder! She's weakening!
Please, please stop this!
She's weakening! Sing louder!
Please, you will shatter the mirror! Stop this noise! Please, please stop this!
The mirror shatters in a flash of light. All the children stumble out of the mirror, now free. Goopy and Baga fall to their knees, exhausted but safe.
You did it! You broke the curse! We are free! We've been trapped for years. Thank you!
And so, the cursed mirror was no more. Evil was shattered, not by swords, but by song. And in a haunted corner of Italy, music triumphed once again. The cursed mirror lies in shards, but the melody they sang now lives in every child they free. And so, Goopy and Baga move further, carrying not gold or fame, but stories, and a song the world will never forget.
E se io muoio da partigiano, oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. E se io muoio da partigiano, tu mi devi seppellire.
Una mattina mi sono svegliato, oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. Una mattina mi sono svegliato e ho trovato l'invasor. Oh partigiano, portami via, oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. Partigiano, portami via, che mi sento di morire.
¿Quién eres tú? ¿Dónde has estado? He removido cielo y tierra y no te encontré. Y llegas hoy tan de repente y das sentido a toda mi vida con tu querer.
ना मैं समझा ना मैं जाना जो भी तुमने मुझसे कहा है सेन्योरिटा, मगर फिर भी न जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है señorita.
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना señorita.
चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए, दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या? दो पल को तो आओ खो जाए, भूले हम होता हम है क्या? सेनोरिटा सुनो सुनो सेनोरिटा कहते हैं हम क्या? Tutte le genti che passeranno, oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. Tutte le genti che passeranno mi diranno
whisper tales of ancient glory. There stood a kingdom where silence reigned louder than thunder, a land rich in culture and beauty, yet shadowed by deep sorrow. But fate had already chosen two unlikely travelers, two musicians whose melodies could awaken even the stillest hearts. Goopy and Bagha land near a bustling bazaar filled with spices, silks, but strangely, no music.
Baga, look at this land. Golden sands, blue skies. We are in Oman.
At last, a new land. My drum is etching to greet the desert winds.
Such beauty deserves music.
আহা কি আনন্দ আকাশে বাতাসে শাখে শাখে পাখি ডাকে কত শোভা চারিপাশে শাখে শাখে পাখি ডাকে কত শোভা চারিপাশে আহা কি আনন্দ আকাশে বাতাসে
Stop at once. Music is forbidden. Since the Queen died, Sultan Rahman hasn't let a single song rise. The penalty is imprisonment or worse.
No song, no music.
Run, run! The palace guards are coming.
By the order of the Sultan, you are under arrest for breaking the law of silence.
They have bound our feet. We cannot use our magic now.
My Sultan, silence is strength. Music brings only memories and pain.
Yes, after my wife's death, music became poison to my ears. Then let there be silence until time ends.
What's the matter? Who are they? Why have you brought them here?
Your Majesty, these strangers who are singing openly in the marketplace. You dare to sing in my kingdom? You dare to break up the silence. For this crime, you shall be punished.
We only wish to share what we were gifted. Music that brings happiness.
If only he could remember music's joy, not just its sorrow.
What happened? What's the matter?
Father, please, let them play one song. If your heart does not move, punish them as you will.
Very well, but if this stirs the storm within me, I shall punish them.
هيا تعالوا ليلة فرحنا ضحكة هواها ترقص معانا في بلد النواب القصر متزين فوانيس عالباب والجو متهون عباية حرير تتهز مع الخطوة صوت المزاهر يلمع في النظرة رقصة في قصر النواب كل الخطاوي تميل وتهاب دورني خلي الليل يدوب قلبي معاك عالمرقص دوب رقصة في قصر النواب ايدك على قلبي جواب عيونك وعد مكتوب وانا على نبضك اتوب عيونك رقصة في قصر النواب كل الخطاوي تميل وتهاب دورني خلي الليل يذوب قلبي معاك عالمرقص دوب رقصة في قصر النواب ايدك على قلبي جواب عيونك وعد مكتوب وانا على نبضك
I had forgotten how music once comforted me. Goopy, Bagha, you have restored not only music but my soul. I name you guardians of song and peace. May your song travel farther than the wind.
You reminded us that joy and sorrow can exist together. Stay with us and teach the children.
But our journey continues. The world is wide and every corner needs a tune.
And we shall carry Oman's tune wherever we go.
Thus, Goopy and Bagha brought music even in a land of silence, proving that music has the power to mend even the deepest wounds.
Honorable Miss Prida Sojan, Principal Nobili School, Sindri, Reverend Fathers, Honorable Principals of other denobilies, Principal of Carmel School, Digwadi, distinguished guests, esteemed parents, my dear teachers, and my beloved children. After sitting here and going through the program, I forgot what I should say. A few things noticed. Artists in huge number, maybe a few hundreds, came on the stage and they performed. And we are all wondering, so much of talents in our children. That is something great. They have taken us from various regions. Our own culture, the Bengali culture, music and dance, it is embedded in our culture. And these musicians move from place to place. And first we have seen them going to Japan and imbibing that spirit of music in Japan and enriching their culture, and from there they go to Italy. There in Venice they liberate people who were caught up in the mirror, and then we have seen people the music going to Oman, and the Sultanate is transformed because of this universal language of music and culture. And that is what. More than that, what amused me is this. So much of talents hidden in the heart of our own children, here in Sindri and elsewhere. And what our teachers and the school has done is to liberate that music and art and perform before us. Parents looking at your own children, and you wonder, oh, so much is in my children. Yes, there is not only this much, much more. And there is this language of a universal language which has no words but expressed. That is music and dance. It can liberate all of us. I am sure that watching this program so far, there were moments where our eyes were wet with tears without knowing that Kartas is within us that came out, and we began to enjoy, and we lost the place where we are now. My dear children, the actors, your energy, expression, and confidence transformed this stage into a living, breathing story. You didn't just perform. You connected, inspired, and moved our heart. You just lived your roles, and that made a big difference. My dear teachers and mentors behind this effort, we know that productions like this don't happen overnight. A lot of thinking, planning, and teamwork went behind it. They are built on passion, courage, patience, guidance, and more importantly, your belief in the potential of every student. You have seen the hidden talents in them, and you brought them out. You have created a space where creativity thrives alongside values, and that is truly commendable. This musical reminds us that art has the power to teach, to unite, and to celebrate what is best in us. It shows that the coming together of rhythm, music, purpose, and meaning always end up new energy and life. Congratulations once again to everyone involved. May this be just one of many such inspiring performances in the years to come. A big thank you to one and all involved in making this evening real, meaningful, and memorable. To the parents, we have to find wings to the dreams of our children. And our school, Dinobili, and every school is trying to do that. And you have to just allow this to happen, encourage the children, and they will come with what they have, the treasures they have within. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
Good evening to one and all. Tonight, I feel humbled to stand before you to unveil the heartbeat of our school's creativity. We are now going to officially release our annual school magazine, The Nobilian Canvas, for the academic session 2025-26. This magazine is a reflection of the creativity, talent, and hard work of our students and teachers, and it stands as a proud testimony to the vibrant life of our school. For the unveiling ceremony, I would like to respectfully invite Principal De Noblis School Sindri, Ms. Preeta Sojan, to kindly grace the occasion. I would also like to request the teachers whose dedication, hard work, and guidance helped to shape this magazine to please join us on the stage. Sir Anup Pandey, Chief Editor, along with his editorial team, Ms. Ipshita Sharkar, Ms. Irina Chatterjee, Mr. Bishwajit Poddar, Ms. Prabha, Ms. Priyanka Chakraborty, Ms. Amrita Singh. A special mention and heartfelt appreciation to Mr. Gaur Das Chatterjee for designing the beautiful cover page of the magazine. May I now request Principal Ma'am kindly unveil the annual school magazine. Ma'am, please. Thank you, ma'am.
I feel truly proud and honored to release our annual school magazine, the Nobelian Canvas 2025-26. It beautifully reflects the God-given talents and creativity of our students. I congratulate the entire team for their hard work. May God continue to bless Denobli School, Sindri.
Is not the end of their journey. The magic shoes will soon whisk them away to the vibrant, untamed wild of Africa.
Hailed as Sky Kings, they find that being a legend comes with a terrifying price. Will they escape the fire of the tribal village, or will their truth be their undoing? To unfold this mystery, let's continue on this journey with Goopy and Bagha. यहाँ से वे सीधे टेक्सास पहुंचते हैं, जहां शेरिफ भल्लारा और खतरनाक डाकू रेड वाइपर जैक के बीच भयंकर जंग छिड़ी थी। शुरुआत में गोपी और बाघा को दुश्मन समझकर पकड़ लिया जाता है, लेकिन वे अपनी कला का इस्तेमाल खुद को बचाने और एक दूसरे की रक्षा के लिए करते हैं। अंत में वे डर और हिंसा पर साहस और दोस्ती की जीत दर्ज करते हैं।
There are moments when the line between justice and revenge disappears. Tonight, that line will be tested.
Red Viper Jack, hands where I can see them. One wrong move and I don't miss.
Ah, there she is, the great protector. Tell me, Sheriff, do you still give warnings, or have you finally learned to kill?
Next one goes through you.
Good. Now you are speaking my language.
Goopy, those men were shooting at each other. Thank God, we have escaped. Now we are safe.
Bagha, stand still. We are in danger.
Stop right there. Don't move. Names, now, or I assume you're with him.
We are not your enemies.
Everyone says that.
Big mistake. You should have kept your eyes on me.
Stop. Don't shoot.
Get out of the way. You don't understand what you're doing?
No, let him stay. Makes this easier.
If you shoot, you don't win. You just prove this is all you are.
This is who I am.
No man had ever escaped this place. The sky was too far, the cliffs too steep, and the bandits too cruel.
So, these are the famous sky singers. You want to live? Then sing for the storm. Make thunder dance or die.
What do you want from us?
Power, fear. You make storms. I want a storm. One that will blow every sheriff and ranger of this land.
We don't use our music for destruction of our power. We use it to heal.
Out here, the only thing worth healing is fear. Sing or your friend's heartbeat will be the next drum I break.
Goopy, if we are to die, we die together.
Just like we lived, side by side. If you sing, I drum.
Bagha, you are not just a drummer, Bagha. You are my rhythm. I can't fight without your beat.
They tied our hand, dust on my tongue. Your mother's feel still on your shirt. I smell the smoke, hear someone laugh. This crooked road ran out of dirt. So sing, brother, sing one last time. Let them hear the name of our town. If my knees hit the ground before yours, carry my voice when I'm down. Sing, brother, sing one last time, till the night forgets what it saw. If we break, let it be on a note, not the crack of a lost jaw.
They are summoning the devil. Shoot them! End it now! Last words?
Drop it, Jack. Cover the boys. You endangered your life. You held on to your friend even when your lives were slipping. That's rare. You both deserve to live.
अब बारी थी अफ्रीका की। वहाँ के लोग इन्हें देवता समझने लगते हैं। गुपी और बाघा सच बताने से डरते हैं, लेकिन जब अफ्रीका के लोगों को असलियत पता चलती है तो वे उन्हें सजा देना चाहते हैं। तभी भूतों के राजा फिर से प्रकट होते हैं, उन्हें बचाते हैं और सबको सच्चाई का एक अनमोल सबक सिखाते हैं।
As the journey continues beyond kingdoms and known lands, Goopy and Bagha now arrive in a place wild, ancient, and full of mystery. Their magical journey brings them now to Africa. But this time, the music may not be enough, for they have entered a land where truth will be tested.
Oof, that landing was rough. Where are we now, Bagha?
This place is different, wild. The heat, the scent of fire and beasts, the rhythm in the air. I can hear drums and something watching us.
Who are you that fall from the sky like prey? Speak now, or I feed your tongues to the jackals.
Wait, please. We are not enemies. We are just travelers. We bring music and peace.
Yeah, we play songs, melodies from the stars. We mean no harm.
The tribal warriors who moments ago stood fearless, scattered in terror, vanishing into the jungle, leaving behind only echoes of fear. And there in the heart of the silence stood two trembling travelers.
We are finished. This is the end.
Bagha, when danger comes, we don't run, we sing.
পায়ে পড়ি বাঘ মামা করোনা করাগ মামা তুমি যে ঘরে কে তা জানতো তুমি যে ঘরে কে তা জানতো তুমি ঘরে ঘরে এ ঘরে তুমি যে ঘরে কে তা জানতো তুমি যে ঘরে কে তা জানতো এ যে বিনা মেঘে পড়ে বাজে এ যে বিনা মেঘে পড়ে বাজ বিনা মেঘে পড়ে বাজে বিনা মেঘে পড়ে বাজে কেচে বুঝি গেল কাজ কেচে কেচে গেল কাজ কেচে কেচে এ যে বিনা মেঘে পড়ে বাজ কেচে বুঝি গেল কাজ দয়া করে থাকো হলে শান্ত মামা কে বা জানতো তুমি যে ঘরে কে তা জানতো তুমি যে ঘরে কে তা জানতো
They have tamed the lions.
No warrior can do that. You have come from the sky, glowing in light and sound. Are you gods?
Our ancestors spoke of sky spirits who sing thunder. Our legends spoke of sky singers who would descend with rhythms that tame lions. You are the sky kings our ancestors dreamt of. You shall stay and rule us.
We can't keep lying. We are no gods. This has gone far beyond awkward.
I know, but if we tell the truth, they might throw us out, or worse. We must run away before dawn.
Goopy and Bagha place their magical boots beside them and soon fall asleep. From behind a tree, a mischievous baboon creeps in. It steals one of the boots and scurries into the jungle with a wicked cackle.
Get up. We have to leave before dawn.
Yes, let's escape before anyone sees us. Where's the other boot? It was right here.
It's gone. One of them took it. We are trapped.
Why do the sky singers tremble? Has truth caught your tongues?
Please, let us go. We mean no harm.
I found this hidden in the bush. Not magic, just leather and tricks.
They are liars. They are not gods. They are deceivers. Guards, flatten them, then boil them.
You fooled us. You dishonored our faith. You mocked our ancient hope. For that, you shall face the punishment.
Please, listen. We never meant to deceive anyone. We were just afraid. We only came to share music.
Yes, we didn't want to be kings. We were scared to speak the truth.
Enough of this. Bind their hands and take them and immerse them in the boiling pot, that they may answer for their betrayal.
I am the Limpopo, giver of life, Alpha without Omega. I Africa.
Bagha, this is the end. We are going to die. We are gone. We can't escape.
Wait, the king of ghosts. He gave us the boot. He won't let us die.
Oh mighty king of ghosts, hear our cry. We are in great danger. Please, please save us. Forgive our mistake and come to our rescue.
Enough! Enough! Stop! Stop! These two are no gods, but they are not enemies. They are seekers, chosen to walk the earth and carry the language of music across lands.
Who are you, spirit of storm and song?
I am the guardian of path. I gave them boots, not to deceive, but to learn. And today, they have learned fear, truth, and courage. They have made grave mistake, but you have also confessed your truth. That takes courage. You are forgiven.
Our boots!
Thank you, O King.
We understand now. You are not gods, but you are good men. You may live.
Thank you for sparing us. We will carry this lesson forever.
And we'll play your rhythms wherever we go.
We must go. There is still more of the world to learn from.
And so, in the face of danger, truth found its voice. Goopy and Bagha learned that deception may bring momentary safety, but it is honesty that brings the deliverance.
कोनों की सैर करने के बाद गोपी और बाघा अंत में अपने वतन भारत वापस आते हैं। वे शांति निकेतन की महिमा का गुणगान करते हुए कहते हैं कि यहाँ शब्द गीत बन जाते हैं और संगीत प्रार्थना बन जाता है।
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Shantiniketan, where words become song and song becomes the spirit of learning. But before we begin, let us bow in honor of two very special guests, two souls who carry the music of India across oceans and deserts, who once faced exile for their noise and now return as storytellers of song. Please welcome the legendary wanderers Goopy Gain and Bagha Bain. We shall first offer them the gift of our tradition. Let our dance speak what words cannot.
প্রাণ ভরিয়ে তৃষা হরিয়ে মোরে আরো 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 দাও প্রাণ প্রাণ ভরিয়ে তৃষা হরিয়ে মোরে আরো 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 দাও প্রাণ তব ভুবনে তব ভবনে মোরে আরো 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 দাও স্থান মোরে আরো 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 দাও প্রাণ প্রাণ ভরিয়ে তৃষা হরিয়ে মোরে আরো 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 দাও প্রাণ আরো আলো আরো আলো এই নয়নে প্রভু ঢালো আরো আলো আরো আলো এই নয়নে প্রভু ঢালো সুরে সুরে বাঁশি পুরে তুমি আরো 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 দাও তান মোরে আরো 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 দাও প্রাণ প্রাণ ভরিয়ে তৃষা হরিয়ে মোরে আরো 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 দাও প্রাণ বেদনা আরো বেদনা প্রভু দাও মোরে আরো চেতনা তার ছুটায় বাধা টুটায় মোরে করো ত্রাণ মোরে করো ত্রাণ আরো বেদনা প্রভু দাও মোরে আরো চেতনা তার ছুটায় বাধা টুটায় মোরে করো ত্রাণ মোরে করো ত্রাণ আরো প্রেমে মোর আমি ডুবে যাক নেমে আরো প্রেমে মোর আমি ডুবে যাক নেমে সুধাধারে আপনারে তুমি আরো 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 করো দান মোরে আরো 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 দাও প্রাণ প্রাণ ভরিয়ে তৃষা হরিয়ে মোরে আরো 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 দাও প্রাণ
Thank you, dear students, for this timeless offering. And now, the moment we all awaited for. We invite Goopy and Bagha to the stage to share their tale and the lessons they gathered from distant shores.
Are you the ones who played for emperors and enchanted ghosts?
Yes, but sometimes we still miss a beat or two. And once I played so loud, I startled my own shadow.
Tell us, what did you learn out there?
Tell us, what did you discover on your journey?
That music is more than melody. It is not just entertainment, but truth in disguise. In Venice, it shattered chains of silence. In Oman, it consoled a grieving heart. In Texas, we learned it can survive silence, even death.
In Africa, we learned that music must be honest, not show, not tricky. And everywhere we went, we found rhythm waiting like a heartbeat hidden beneath every culture.
And thus, the wanderers return, not with gold or glory, but with songs etched from deserts, dreams, and distant lands. And thus, the world became a song, unbroken by the border, unchained by language. As we part tonight, let us carry one simple truth. Beyond every border and every difference, we are united by the same rhythm of life. May we listen more, understand more, and turn our world into a song of harmony.
The story of Goopy and Bagha.
Gratitude is the memory of the heart, to formally acknowledge every hand that helped us travel across the globe tonight, and to extend the vote of thanks. We welcome our Vice Principal, Mrs. Srinita Saha.
Gratitude is the fairest blossom which springs from the soul. Indeed, gratitude is like a clear spring of water that rises from the core and flows effortlessly, cleansing everything it touches. With this beautiful thought, I first thank the Almighty, the source of all wisdom and blessings, for guiding us and granting us the grace to successfully conduct this memorable Parents' Night celebration. At the outset, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Reverend Father Michael P. Fernandez, Director de Noble Schools, for his visionary leadership, unwavering support and constant encouragement, and for providing us with the opportunities, resources to nurture the talents to our students. Though we were sorry he could not be present due to unforeseen circumstances, his contribution was pivotal in making the event a resounding success. I express my sincere thanks to our esteemed guest of honor, Reverend Father K.M. Joseph, for being a true guardian to our institution. We are grateful to you for your continuous love, support, and blessings. Your presence on every occasion boosts our morale and enthusiasm. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Reverend Father Nestor Soring, Parish Priest of Sindri, for his gracious presence and blessings. We acknowledge his constant support to our institution. Thank you, Father. I extend my sincere thanks to the MLA of Sindri constituency, Mr. Chandradev Mahato, for honoring us with his gracious presence and for his valued goodwill towards our institution. My heartfelt thanks to Ward Councillors Mr. Dheeraj Singh and former Ward Councillor Mr. Gopal Mahato. A special note of thankfulness to our eminent officials and dignitaries from FCI Management, Hull Management, ACC Management, and SAIL Management. Your attendance not only elevated the significance of the occasion, but also provided immense motivation to everyone involved here. With deep respect, I thank the Reverend Sisters, Fathers, and all clergy members present here today. Your blessings and spiritual guidance continue to illuminate our path. My special thanks goes to our beloved principal, Mrs. Preetha Sojan, whose dedication, leadership, and tireless efforts made this day a memorable and a grand success. Ma'am, your guidance is truly the backbone of our all achievements. I also extend my sincere gratitude to all the principals, vice principals, coordinators, and teachers of other units, schools, whose cooperation and support have strengthened the spirit of unity within the de Noble family. I extend my sincere thanks to principals and other representatives of our neighboring institutions for your esteemed presence. We deeply value this sense of unity and shared commitments. To all those who have served DNS Sindri and have taken time out to bless us today, we thank you too. It is your contribution that has made the pillars of this hallowed institution stand strong through the test of time. My wholehearted appreciation to our teachers, the architects of tonight's program. You trained the actors, choreographed the dances, guided the speakers, organized the rehearsals, and managed nervous students with patience and smiles. The confidence we witnessed on stage tonight is your success. Your dedication and commitment are truly commendable. I also wish to thank our administrative and logistic team who handled countless paperwork and last-minute details with efficiency and dedication. My dear alumni, your unwavering support, cherished memories, and continued bond with this institution inspire and strengthen us every day. Thank you to you all too. My sincere thanks also goes to our supporting staff whose silent yet significant contribution ensured the smooth functioning of the entire event. I also extend my heartfelt gratitude on behalf of DNS Sindri to the members of print and electronic media whose presence is a testimony of their support towards our school. I would like to acknowledge the efforts of the light and sound technicians and decorators whose creativity and professionalism transformed this venue into a vibrant and beautiful stage for our children to shine. On the same note, let me thank our security personnel whose contribution provided us a secured environment, letting us focus mainly on the event tonight. My dear parents, tonight is a proof that education is a partnership between home and school. Your presence here sends a powerful message to our children. We care, we support you, and your growth matters to us. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you for making time and for trusting us with your children's education every single day. And finally, my heartfelt thanks go to our wonderful students, the two stars of this evening. Whether you sang, danced, acted, spoke, or helped backstage, you did it with discipline and joy. We witnessed teamwork, creativity, and courage. We are proud of you. Keep believing in yourself, dear students. Each one of you has made this parents' night truly memorable. Thank you, my dear children. Once again, on behalf of De Noblis School Sindri, I extend my sincere thanks to everyone who contributed directly or indirectly to the success of today's event. Thank you all and have a very safe and pleasant evening.
Thank you, ma'am, for the delightful appreciation.